Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to avoid bank accounts that accrue interest. So usually the general rule of thumb is people tend to have a checking account and a savings account for their banking needs. Now, checking accounts typically do not accrue any interest. However, saving accounts typically do accrue interest. So what most Muslims tend to do is whatever interest is accrued in their savings account at the end of the year, they take that money and they give it up in charity. Now, what I do is I have two checking accounts, neither one of which accrues any interest. This way, I don't have to worry about obviously accruing any interest. And number two, when you sign up for a savings account, you have to sign that document where you agree to have that savings account and you agree to take that interest. This way, you can avoid interest altogether, inshallah. So hopefully this helps and hopefully this will benefit the Muslim brothers and sisters out there. And if you do decide to have two checking accounts, my advice is have two accounts in two separate banks. Reason why I say that is because I've had an instance recently where one of my bank accounts was compromised. Someone in another state somehow got a hold of my banking information and tried to make a fraudulent purchase through my account. The bank reached out to me and verified if it was actually me because it seemed like suspicious activity. I confirmed with them that it wasn't me and they denied that purchase and they froze my bank account and they issued me a new bank card and they mailed it to me and they took about a week to get to my home. Now, in the meantime, I didn't have access to that account, which wasn't an issue because I had a completely separate bank account where I was able to take care of my banking needs and be able to go get cash if I needed to. Now, if you only had one account, obviously that would have been a problem. It's froze and you wouldn't have access to it. So that's one advantage. And the second advantage of having two separate accounts in two separate banks is if I'm out and I need to get to an ATM, if I have two different bank accounts, most likely one of them will be near me and I can go to my nearest one and avoid having to pay any ATM fees, for going to a separate bank. And also, in terms of transferring funds from one account to the other, it's usually not an issue because I use Zelle. And when I transfer funds from one account to another, it's available instantly. And I don't have to worry about any issues on that front either. So hopefully this information was useful. If you do like this video, please do hit the like button. So inshallah, we can get this information to other brothers and sisters who can also avoid accruing any interest in their accounts by using this method. Jazakallah khair. I'll see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.